My name is Rachel Catling. My husband and I have lived here in Haddon Heights for almost 4 years. We've had a succession of some small water leaks, fairly good-sized water leak. We kept following the trail and doing patchwork, and then finally, recently, we had some damage that required more. I work for a company that has done work commercially with DDS and that everybody had good things to say about them. Fella that came out to work on our project came out on our timeline early on a weekend morning after his normal hours, came out, he sat down, he listened to my ridiculous dream, and I can just tell you that there wasn't 1 minute my husband or I ever felt we weren't getting the honest, real deal and that our house would be taken care of. He explained, he was honest, he was patient. We had a bunch of things surprise us, but they took care of that also. They brought in somebody to remediate rot behind the walls. We had asbestos we took off. My yard was cleaned up every single day. I have never loved a roof more or siding more, and it's because I feel as though my house is secure and going to wrap me in many years of enjoying it carefree, where it did not feel like that before. Being able to put your head down at night and not have to worry about water coming in, it's a big deal. All around exceptional company. Thank you, DDS. Forever. Thank you, thank you, thank you.